Public Procurement and Disposal of Public Assets Authority kitongole ekirungamya ku ntunda y'ebintu bya gavumenti wamu n'okugaba emirimu ne contract ku projekti za gavumenti. Wabula ate PPDA Appeals Tribunal kyo kitongole ekivunaanyizibwa ku bwerufu n'okuwuliriza okwemulugunya okuva mu bantu eri obuweereza bw'ebitongole bya gavumenti omuli ne PPDA.
For us as PPDA Appeals Tribunal, being an independent body, our work is resolving disputes in public procurement.
Senkulu w'ekitongole kino Atiku Saki Mansuru agamba nti bannayuganda bangi tebannamanya bukulu bwa kitongole kino nga batuka n'okutwala okwemulugunya kwabwe mu bitongole ebitakwatibwako ne batafuna bwenkanya.
There is low awareness of procurement law amendments and tribunal mandates. Wherever we go, we talk to these people, they seem not to really understand what we do. So that now forms the basis for us to speak to them.
Atiku Saki Mansuru agamba nti waliwo n'abantu abamanya obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe kyokka nga bewulira eryanyi ne bagala bakozese office ezibasingako ekintu ekikyamu.
We have a number of cases where the bidders have won before the tribunal. So yes, maybe we can share for you the decisions because we all have them where the bidders have won. It's not that when parties come here, it is only the government winning. It's not.
Munnamateeka wa PPDA Appeals Tribunal Chiwa Francis Frank agamba nti ebitongole bya gavumenti bingi biremererwa okulaga abantu emitendera emituufu egiyitibwamu okugaba contract ekiviirako enguzi.
Most accounting officers do not guide complainants on the fees to be paid and the procedure of lodging a complaint, and yet that is the first step of lodging a complaint or challenging a procurement process. And a bidder will go to the accounting officer, and the accounting officer will not guide the entity. They will not guide the bidder at all, hoping that perhaps the bidder's time runs out.
Ono agamba nti emisango mingi gye bazze bakolako ng'ebitongole bya gavumenti byagala okubba abantu.
We have also seen accounting officers cancelling the procurement process where they feel that perhaps a bidder they wanted has not succeeded in that procurement process, and we have found that some of these cancellations are done illegally. Then there is also a higher tendency of entities refusing to receive complaints by email. You file your complaint by email, the entity says we did not receive it.
Titus Jemba, BBS Terefayina,